How can the advanced manufacturing sector be transformed? Would you like to be part of the future of advanced manufacturing? The advanced manufacturing sector is being transformed. Jobs are changing. Skilled workers will play a key role in the factories of the future. Therefore, a new set of skills is demanded. Towards a digitized society, human-centric, resilience and sustainability skills are central. Then join Lcamp. Lcamp is the European platform of Centres of Vocational Excellence of Advanced Manufacturing, known as COVI, and offers a full set of services for our stakeholders. Vet centres, learners, SMEs and local authorities will benefit from Lcamp. Thanks to Lcamp, vet centres will have access to collaborative learning factories. Furthermore, vet centres will learn how to set up their own LFs. Teachers will improve their competencies in Industry 4.0 and 5.0 and will connect with their international peers. An open innovation community will foster applied research and offer new, attractive study programs as well as skills for the digital era. Creativity, critical thinking, polyvalency, teamworking, interdisciplinarity, sustainability mindsets. Lcamp is there for regional SMEs and big enterprises and reskilling their current workforce. Definition of skill gaps for new jobs and learning paths for upskilling workers. Training catalogues. Support on digital transitions through ADMA scans and implementations. The Lcamp Skills Observatory will define the current skills trends and gaps. The open innovation community will promote applied research and build transformative partnerships between COVIs and SMEs. With the community and the observatory established, Lcamp will offer learner-centric training courses. To accelerate these learning opportunities in advanced manufacturing, Lcamp will create internationally connected collaborative learning factories. The platform will be a one-stop shop for accessing all the services, data and information gathered throughout the project, and it will allow all users to access all the services that Lcamp will offer. Collaboration between individuals is a key element of Lcamp. The platform will provide tools to assist collaboration on transnational projects and instruments to aid the sharing of resources. To sustain this collaborative approach, Lcamp will set up an alliance permanently connecting vet centres, industrial clusters and policymakers. Lcamp is not just a European project with a finite life. It will become the VET European reference platform for knowledge generation and exchange in the advanced manufacturing sector. Help transform the future of the advanced manufacturing sector. Join Lcamp.